I wanted to do a video today about not feeling great about money, and I feel like it happens to everyone, and as much as everyone says, you need to keep a good mindset and all of that, we do have those little moments where things kind of creep up, expenses creep up, and you can feel a little bit worried about your financial situation. And a good way of recognizing that is first actually having that awareness that you actually feel that way, and feeling that way is okay as long as you acknowledge it. That's the big step. So once you've acknowledged it, then think about, okay, how can I change my vibration into one of attracting an abundance? So by doing things like having gratitude for all the money that you have, saying thank you for every bill that you're able to pay, doing these things and helping to change your mindset and all the amazing things that money has been able to give you. Think about all the recent experiences that you've had. So hopefully that helps in changing your mindset, and I'll see you on the next video.